Hi guys, for received this Opvener inflatable bed bench for event purposes, and it's a really nice bed bench because, well, you can use it in your bedroom, in the living room, or as you can see, I'm outside. You can also use it outside, which is really nice. So let's open it. Here you have the instructions to inflate it and deflate it. And well, let's take it out. Here you got the instructions. And here we got it. Okay. Here we got the repair patch. Here they are. Two of them. I'm gonna put it in the pipe. And here it is. I'm gonna go get my pump so I can fill it with air and see how it works. So now it's ready. It's a perfect size. It can fit 2, maybe even 3 persons, 2 people, and well, it supports up to 400 pounds, which is nice. And as you can see, it was very easy to inflate it. It will be very easy to deflate it also, and it's really nice. I like it a lot. It has a nice texture and an excellent actual quality. It's flexible, so you won't have to worry that much that it will break or anything like that. And it's very well made, which I like a lot. You can use it to hang around with your friends. Here you have the instructions to storage it, which is really nice. And I like it a lot. Here we also have the cleaning and the maintenance, which is nice. And here we've got the patches. I'm gonna use one so you can see how it's done. Okay, so I've already cut it. So I was saying, I'm gonna place it right here. As you can see, it doesn't see. Place it on the plastic side first. And get the air bubbles out. And just like that, you will have repaired it. So now I'm gonna deflate it. So as you can see, it was very easy to inflate and deflate. I would really recommend it. It's very nice. It's a perfect size. I like it a lot. See ya.